publishing. You've probably heard the phrase, "It won't replace you. A person using AI will." It sounds motivating, and there's truth in it, but it skips something important that's driving most of the anxiety people feel right now. AI may not replace you, but it will reposition you. And that shift, that sense of your role changing underneath you, is where the real discomfort comes from. Repositioning feels uncertain. If you've done your job the same way for years, and suddenly a tool can automate parts of it, you don't just feel threatened. You feel unsettled, like the ground is shifting, and you're not sure where to stand. But here's the calm truth. Technology has always repositioned work. It's not new, even if it feels overwhelming right now. The spreadsheet didn't eliminate financial professionals. It eliminated manual calculation and freed them to focus on analysis and strategy. Email didn't eliminate communication roles. It eliminated slow correspondence and made collaboration faster and more efficient. It's doing the same thing. It's compressing the routine parts of work so you can expand into the parts that actually matter more. Let me give you a practical example. Imagine you manage projects. Part of your job is writing status updates, summarizing meetings, tracking tasks. AI can now draft those summaries in seconds. If you cling to being the person who writes the updates, you're going to feel replaced. That part is shrinking, and you're holding on to it. But if you reposition yourself as the person who ensures clarity, alignment, and decisions get made, you expand. You move into the part of the role that carries more weight. AI drafts the summary. You refine it. AI organizes the data. You interpret what it means. AI tracks the tasks. You prioritize what matters most and keep people aligned. Your value shifts upward. That's repositioning. The routine compresses. Judgment expands. Communication expands. Trust expands. The human parts of your work become more visible and more valuable, not less. The risk is automation. The risk is anchoring your identity to the shrinking tasks instead of stepping into the expanding ones. So here's what I want you to do. This is practical, not theoretical. Look at your current role and write down 3 things. What tasks in my job are repetitive? What tasks require human judgment? What tasks depend on trust or relationships? Then ask yourself, where should I be leaning more heavily? Not in 5 years. Now. Repositioning doesn't require a dramatic pivot. It doesn't mean you need to reinvent yourself overnight. It requires small, deliberate shifts in where you put your energy. Learn one tool that supports the repetitive tasks so they take less of your time. Then spend more energy strengthening the human side of your role. The conversations, the decisions, the relationships, the interpretation. That's how you stay ahead. Calmly, strategically. AI won't replace you, but it will move the center of gravity in your work. The question is whether you move with it or resist the shift. Move with it. Lean into what expands. Let go of what compresses. I'll see you in the